What's going on today, YouTube? So I just got off work. It is about 6 p.m. The absolute worst time I could be doing this, but I'm on my way to San Francisco. I'm going up to visit Danny, who you guys have seen his Mini Cooper. He is gonna help me install my charge cooler that I got. I am installing the Merc Racing charge cooler. It's a quad pass charge cooler and it's painted black, so it's gonna be pretty stealth. I like it a lot. And it's probably going to take us a few hours, so I will keep you guys updated on the progress of that. But right now I am just on my way up Highway 1. We are just getting closer to Davenport, and hopefully we can see some cool cars on the way. All right, here it is. We made it. There's his Mini. This is his stall, but where's he at? Danny!
What's up, sexy?
Where you at?
How's it going?
Hello. What's up?
What's up?
All right, we got the car in the air, wheels coming off, next the bumper, crash bar, and then I don't really know after that. We'll figure it out. So we've got the bumper off, the stock charge cooler's off. Now we just measured the crash bar, and we're drilling holes. There's 4 of them that go to the brackets on the aftermarket charge cooler. And then after that, it's just mounting it, hooking up the heater lines, and then we're done. Easier said than done, we'll see. Oh yeah. All right, so we have the charge cooler in. We had to do a lot of customizing the brackets. We had to grind this one a lot, but I like the fitment. Whoa, is it sagging? It's kind of sagging on this side. Whatever, race car. Oh. Race car. Does anyone else ever get really childish and go like this? Ready? Oh God. Oh. Okay, yep, I'm definitely 5 years old. It's hard not to be though with this car. It's really hard. And then there's my 40-year-old man's car. Booty. So right now, hello, we are getting all these hoses in with our expensive clamps here. Hey Danny.
What's up?
We had a little hiccup, didn't take too long. This car has drive select, which is like dynamic and comfort mode. This right here, this little U-shaped cooler, is for the drive select. So basically, in the normal spot that mount, holy crap, am I blown out? So blown out. Okay, so in the normal spot where that mounts is where the charge cooler is. This is usually right up here against the AC condenser. So we had to basically just pull these lines out a little farther, put them right here, and we got some high flow or high performance zip ties holding it on. It's not going anywhere, neither is the charge cooler. So I'm satisfied with that. Now we're just gonna start the car, repressurize the coolant system, and then hopefully we'll be on the road. She's alive. The bumper's on. Little intake thingy bobber. There it is. Nice fitment. It's kind of tight in there. There's not too much room, but I am going to relocate this drive select cooler. I'm gonna put it down here below the crash bar. we just finished up with the car. We have everything on, wheels torqued, car's lowered, ready to go. We had it idling for about 15 minutes, let the pressure build up in the coolant system, and I believe it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start heading home. I will update you guys in about 30 minutes on the road, and hopefully I'm not on the side of the road. But I have some extra coolant and some stuff and snacks and a blanket in case I have to spend the night in my car. I made it home totally fine. Car didn't have any problems. It felt absolutely crazy. It's definitely a lot faster. I can notice immediately how much power I was losing without this cooler. So if any of you out there have a car like mine and you're thinking about going stage 2, even stage 1, I think it's like you have to get this cooler or a cooler, because it's incredible how much of a difference this car has now with the cooler on. So sorry to update you guys on the road, but I was just enjoying it too much. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just the install of the charge cooler for my car. Let me know in the comments what other kind of install videos I should do, or any sort of like walk around videos or the parts of my car. Just let me know in the comments. I'd like the ideas as well as some future plans for the car. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.